Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Leupold RX is probably one of the most sought-after rangefinders on the market, and for good reason, offering unparalleled accuracy and speed for hunters and shooters who demand the absolute best in their equipment. This device is engineered to provide lightning-fast distance readings, even in challenging conditions, ensuring you have the critical information needed for that perfect shot. Its advanced optical system delivers crystal-clear images, making target acquisition swift and precise, while the durable construction guarantees reliability in the field, no matter the weather or terrain. If you're serious about improving your accuracy and confidence in the field, the Leupold RX series is a serious contender. Number 5. Leupold Unisex Adult Tracer. Discover the Leupold Unisex Adult Tracer, designed for durability and performance. It's the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Crafted with premium materials, this accessory is built to withstand the elements. Its robust construction ensures reliability in any condition. Featuring a versatile design, it's suitable for everyone. The unisex fit ensures comfort and practicality for all users. Experience enhanced functionality with its advanced features. It's engineered to provide optimal performance when you need it most. Trust in its dependable performance for all your activities. This accessory is designed to be your go-to gear for any challenge. What we like. This one is built for everyday wear and tear. If you need something reliable and comfortable for long periods, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value practicality and ease of use in their gear. What people say. The Leupold RX 1000 ITBRW with DNA laser rangefinder is a great tool for hunters and shooters. It features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry in the field. The DNA, digitally enhanced accuracy, laser engine provides fast and accurate readings, even at long distances. The TBRW, True Ballistic Range Wind, technology compensates for angle and wind, allowing for precise shot placement. The Leupold RX 1000 ITBRW is also equipped with a fully multi-coated lens system, which enhances light transmission and provides a clear, bright image. The rangefinder has a maximum range of 1,000 yards and a minimum range of 6 yards. It also features a scan mode that allows for continuous ranging of multiple targets. Number 4. Dr. Easy Wax RX pH Conditioned Ear Wash Refill Kit. Introducing a gentle and effective way to clean your ears. This solution is designed for comfortable and thorough ear care. Our carefully balanced formula ensures a safe and comfortable experience. It helps maintain the natural pH of your ear canal. Refilling is simple and convenient with this kit. Keep your ear washing system ready for use anytime you need it. This product is specifically formulated to help soften and remove earwax. Achieve a cleaner, clearer feeling with ease. Developed with care, this ear wash refill is a trusted choice for ear hygiene. It provides a reliable solution for your needs. The 1.7-ounce size is perfect for refills and easy storage. It's a practical addition to your personal care routine. What we like. This is designed for effective and gentle ear care. If you're looking for a simple solution to earwax buildup, this kit offers a comfortable and efficient way to manage it. It's ideal for anyone prioritizing personal hygiene and comfort. What people say. The Leupold RX 1000 ITBRW with DNA is a compact and lightweight rangefinder. It features a 6x magnification and a 22mm objective lens, providing a clear and bright view. The rangefinder offers multiple reticle options and a scan mode for continuous ranging. Number 3. Leupold RX 1400 ITBRW Gen 2 rangefinder. Introducing the Leupold RX 1400 ITBRW Gen 2. Experience unparalleled accuracy with its advanced ballistics technology. Its true ballistic range wind technology calculates precise ranges for steep angles and long distances. It even provides a hold point for wind conditions up to 800 yards. For archers, the selectable bow mode with flight path technology helps you identify obstructions and calculates angle-compensated ranges. This device boasts an impressive ranging distance of up to 1,400 yards on reflective objects and 1,200 yards on trees. The selectable tool display features bright red numbers with adjustable brightness. This ensures optimal readability in any light condition. Built for those who demand the best, it offers reliable performance in the field. Elevate your shooting experience with this state-of-the-art rangefinder. What we like. This offers advanced ballistics for precise shots. If you're a hunter or long-range shooter who demands accuracy, this is your tool. Its ability to calculate true ballistic ranges and wind holds makes it invaluable for challenging conditions. What people say. The Leupold RX 1000 ITBR is a great rangefinder with a very bright display that is easy to read even in direct sunlight. The TBR, True Ballistic Range, feature is very accurate and helps to compensate for angle and distance, making it ideal for hunting in varied terrain. The unit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a pocket or attached to a backpack. Number 2. Leupold QR Weaver Style Scope Rings. Introducing the Leupold Quick Release Weaver Style Scope Rings. These rings offer unparalleled convenience and precision for your firearm. Specifically, this is the model number 174068, a medium-height option with a sleek matte finish. It's designed for easy attachment and detachment. These rings are fully compatible with all quick-release (QR) systems. This ensures seamless integration with your existing setup. The innovative design allows you to remove and reattach your scope while maintaining your original point of impact. You can achieve this within half of the original point of impact. Featuring a precision machined lever mechanism, it securely engages the steel base. This pulls the ring down and forward, locking it firmly into its zero position. Experience the confidence of a secure and reliable mounting solution. Trust Leupold for your optics. What we like. This provides rapid scope detachment and reattachment. If you frequently swap optics or need to remove your scope quickly, these rings are essential. They ensure your scope returns to its zero point, offering convenience without sacrificing accuracy. What people say. The Leupold RX 1000 ITBRW with DNA laser rangefinder is a great tool for archery and rifle hunting. It has a very bright and clear display, making it easy to see in various lighting conditions. The TBRW, True Ballistic Range Wind, feature is incredibly accurate and helps compensate for angle and wind, which is crucial for long-range shots. Number 1. Hard case for Leupold RX 650 Micro Laser Rangefinder. Introducing a high-quality hard case designed to protect your valuable laser rangefinder. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand daily wear and tear. Featuring a durable and smooth 360-degree two-way zipper, this case allows for easy access. The delicate stitching ensures a secure and long-lasting fit. Crafted from high-quality EVA material, this case offers excellent shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof protection. The soft inner lining further safeguards against impacts and pressure. By providing comprehensive protection, this case helps to extend the service life of your rangefinder. Keep your device in pristine condition for years to come. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your rangefinder is safe from impacts and splashes. This case is the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. The package includes one protective case. Please note that the device and any accessories are sold separately. What we like. This offers robust protection for your device. If you need to safeguard your rangefinder during transport or in harsh environments, this case is the answer. Its durable, waterproof, and shockproof design ensures your valuable equipment stays safe. What people say. The Leupold RX 1000 ITBRW with DNA laser rangefinder is a solid performer, offering accurate readings out to 1,000 yards. The TBRW, True Ballistic Range Wind, feature is a standout, providing ballistic corrections for various distances and angles, making it incredibly useful for hunters and long-range shooters. The DNA, digitally enhanced accuracy, engine ensures fast and precise measurements, even in low-light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.